Hello everyone, I am Sindhudi. I am studying in final year BCA. Today I am going to talk about data analytics. Contents: Introduction of data analytics, types of data analytics, components and steps of data analytics. Meaning of data analytics: Data analytics is a method of collecting both qualitative and quantitative information about a digital property and therefore allowing marketers or product manager or anyone in a digital company to make informed decision about their customers, and it refers to analyzing the data. For example, Google Analytics. Next, we will move on types of data analytics. There are four types of data analytics. First one, descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics. First one, descriptive analytics. What is the data telling you and what's happening in my business? Comprehensive, accurate and live data. Effective visualization. Second one, diagnostic analytics. Why is it happening? Ability to drill down to the root. Ability to isolate all confounding information. Predictive analytics. What's likely to happen? Business strategies have remained fairly consistent over time. Historical patterns being used to predict specific outcomes using algorithms. Decisions are automated using algorithms and technologies. Fourth one, prescriptive analytics. What do I need to do? Applying advanced analytical techniques to make specific recommendations, recommended actions, and strategies based on champion challenges, testing strategies outcomes. For example, increase the advertising expense by 10%. Another one example, give a 5% discount for 2 months. Next, we will move on process of data analytics. First one, collecting data, cleaning data, manipulating data, analyzing data, visualizing data. These are the 5 processes of data analytics. Next, we will move on components of data analytics. First one, a clear vision and strategy. Second one, priority strategic business opportunities. Third one, data identification. Fourth one, data qualification. Fifth one, extract the insight. Sixth one, define and execute the outcome. Next, we will move on. There are 4 ways to use data analytics. First one, improved decision making, more effective marketing, better customer services, more efficient operations. First one, improved decision making. Companies can use the insights they gain from data analytics to inform their decisions, leading to better outcomes. Second one, more effective marketing. Data analytics also gives you useful insights into how your companion are performing so that you can them for optimal outcomes. Third one, better customer services. Your data can reveal information about your customers. Fourth one, more efficient operation. Data analytics can help you streamline your processes, save money, and boost your bottom line when you have an improved understanding of what you an audience wants. These are the four ways to use data analytics. Next, we will move on data analytics in 5 steps. First one, define. Second one, measure. Third one, analyze. Fourth one, improve. Fifth one, control. First one, define. It refers to ask the right questions. Define the target of your data analytics. Second one, measure. It collect the valid data. Improve your data quality if necessary. Third one, analyze. Analyze your data, facilitate better processes understanding and develop solutions. Fourth one, improve. Implement your solutions, optimize your process efficiency. Fifth one, control. Assess the benefits of your solutions. Create framework conditions for long time use. These are the 5 steps in data analytics. Next, we'll see the technologies of data analytics. First one, machine learning, data managing, data mining, predictive analytics. These are the 4 technologies of data analytics. Next, we will move on benefits of data analytics. First one, proactivity and anticipating needs. Second one, mitigating risk and fraud. Third one, delivering relevant products. Fourth one, personalization and services. Fifth one, optimizing and improving the customer experience. These are the 5 benefits of data analytics. These are the explain about data analytics. Thank you.